All right.
Can we go get another drink?
She trying to get lit.
My Christian boo, you my first pick even though I got options. Because them hoes in you, you made me go drug free.
I'm currently in the Bahamas for spring break. Right now we're about to get a taxi and go to where we're staying. We will be staying at the Atlantis Hotel, the Royal to be specific. So we're about to head there. I had to take 2 flights. It was a connecting flight to North Carolina and then to Nassau. So yeah, I'm with my friend right now. Hey y'all. Hold on, let me take off the mask real quick. Oh, cute. But yeah, we're about to just go to the hotel, so just stay tuned. Give this video a like, comment, and share, and also make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for the vlog. We're in the cab. We're on our way to our resort. I learned a lot in this cab ride. I learned that flamingos are white instead of pink, and they only turn pink from eating a lot of shrimp. So wow. Wow, y'all. You learn something new every day. There's a lot of scenery out here, which I really like. I really like how the cab driver is giving us some insight. I like to learn new things. We are at our hotel. We are staying at the Royal at Atlantis. Really the #1 place to stay when you come. This is a pricey hotel, so you might just want to be aware if you guys want to book here. We have a nice room, 2-bed suite. Right now we're about to just get changed, freshen up, and then we're going to go to the water park that they have at the resort. So happy to be here. Spring break 2021, we here with it. I'm not even going to lie to y'all, I want to drink right now. Like, give me anything, get me lit. If I don't get drunk on this island one day while I'm here, y'all, this trip ain't go right how it was supposed to. So yeah, I need to get a little hand. Alright y'all, so we are all changed up. So right now what we're about to do is go to the water park, as I mentioned. I'm not gonna bring my camera because, you know, don't want to ruin my good camera. So I'm gonna record on my GoPro. Hopefully nothing goes wrong, and yeah, I'll see y'all. Alright y'all, so we got a drink. It's called the Bahama Mama because we in Bahamas, baby. So yeah, cheers to be in the Bahamas.
Yo, this is busting.
They did not ID us either, y'all. Wait, the Bahamas drinking age is 18 anyway, so.
I don't taste no alcohol.
What? She said she don't taste no alcohol. Alright y'all, so like I'm drunk already because I don't drink that much, and I'm oh my god.
Y'all, we are we chatting, we catching up on life because we knew each other since like 2016, 2017. We never got a chance to link up. Like, we knew each other for years, but we catching up on mad shit. You feel me? Like, look at her.
Okay, y'all, so I'm very drunk right now. And she's, I don't know how you feel.
I'm the mom right now, okay?
She's a mom. I'm fucked up. Like, I don't drink that much, y'all, when I'm back home. So it's like, I had 2 little drinks and I'm fucked up. Like, she gotta hold me. And I feel like I gotta throw up. I'm not even gonna hold you, but Good morning, guys. It is day 2 in the Bahamas, and let me tell y'all about last night. Last night, your girl got drunk. I got drunk and I was throwing up and shit like that. I'm having the best time of my life. Yeah, so yeah, that was it. Like, I had 2 drinks yesterday. I think a white liquor and a dark liquor, and I should never did that. But me, I don't know, because I don't drink on the regular. So yeah, that was my life yesterday. Throwing up was off it. I'm still kind of off it, but we about to get ready to probably go get breakfast and see if we can get on like a boat ride or something today. Something fun, something adventurous. That's what I want to do today. So I think my friend wants to do too, so we're about to be lit. This resort is so beautiful, y'all. Like, so beautiful. Like, I could live here. But yeah, I don't even know what I'm gonna wear today, but I'm gonna try to make it cute. So yeah, we're gonna see. I'll update you guys later. I'm about to go get some breakfast, but y'all check the view. Like, yeah, we're pretty living, but we're gonna take a shuttle to go to the cove, because they have free shuttles that take you all around the resort. So we're just gonna take a shuttle to go to the cove and get some breakfast. So yeah. We are at the cove and we are just getting so distracted. We're supposed to be going to eat, but we're getting distracted because the scenery is like really beautiful here. We're gonna try to get something to eat now, for real. I had to end up getting me a fruit salad and my ginger ale. I don't know if y'all can see it, but because I'm still kind of like lit off of last night, like I outdid myself, so yeah, I'm just trying to woosah and feel better. So yeah, that's my life right now. Excuse me. After this, we're gonna see if we can find something to do. We're gonna go scuba diving, so hopefully we can find it. All right, y'all. So we about to go have some Bahamas fun now. Like, we about to go in the water. So right now, what we're doing is setting up the GoPro. Came back from the water slides and it was pretty dope. Like, I really like the water slides. Like, it was just good to, you know, get in the water, have a little bit of fun. Like, I feel totally better after doing that. We got some footage. It was lit. But ooh, I like how I'm glowing. This is my happy place. I think we're just gonna still chill here until later, and we're just gonna go out tonight. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated on that. Yeah, as we go into our hotel to go upstairs, there is an aquarium. I'm about to show y'all the aquarium that we have. Taking y'all on an adventure. Let's go. Now we are getting ready to go to a restaurant called Fish Fry. Our driver that drove us the other day when we first got here, he recommended that restaurant to us, so we're just gonna go check it out and see what it's about. I actually want to go to like a hookah spot. Like, I can't live without my hookah, but we're gonna see what they have. We just want to get some good food. Up to you guys when we get to the restaurant. Decided that we're gonna eat at this place called The Legacy. It's more options for us and all that, so yeah, we're gonna see it all. So I got a new friend.
Hey, It's Hey_Hefe. Follow me on Instagram and on YouTube. Well, I changed my YouTube name. I forgot what I changed it to. But hey, look, just go on my Instagram and then click on the link.
What's your Instagram?
In the bio. Hey_Hefe.
Alright, y'all, we are back in the hotel. So we had a lot of food and I still have a lot of food left over. So what we're about to do is just chill, eat some more food, watch TV for a little while, and we gotta be up early to get ready. We have an excursion tomorrow and I'm excited. We're excited. So yeah, we're just gonna do that, chill, and I'll see you guys in the morning.
I got your back, trust me. And I ain't just speaking to speak, you know this shit for real.